Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check that your Wi-Fi adapter supports Hotspot or Wi-Fi Direct and that you have administrator rights. Once done, update drivers or the OS so the service is stable. Now choose a clear SSID and a strong password and decide whether to use 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Make sure to note the current network names to avoid conflicts. Then move into System Settings to create the hotspot profile. You now configure the hotspot. Open the network sharing panel for your OS and locate mobile hotspot or internet sharing. Choose the internet source you will share, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and select the adapter to broadcast. Next, enter the SSID and password you prepared. Pick the band and enable DHCP so clients get addresses automatically. If you need fixed addresses for printers or servers, assign static IPs inside the chosen subnet. Once configured, enable the hotspot and watch for the active indicator. Finish by connecting a client device to verify internet access and signal strength. Test page loads and DNS resolution. If something goes wrong, first restart the Wi-Fi adapter and toggle the hotspot off and on because service conflicts clear often. Make sure firewall or antivirus is not blocking sharing. Check that the shared internet source remains active. For deeper inspection, run netsh or ipconfig on Windows or use Mac OS Network Diagnostics to confirm the hotspot's IP bindings and DHCP leases.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.